the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob, the Holy One of Israel, the one who has never lost a war. Thank you for today. Thank you for your children. Thank you for the boys' brigade. Thank you for the girls' brigade. Father, accept our worship in Jesus' name. Today, thou, the Lord of hosts, fight for your children. In every area of their lives, give them victory. In such a manner that the world will know that our God is the one that you don't toy with. On behalf of all your children here today, do something new. Silence all our mockers. Everything in our lives that might be saying, where is your God? Father, deal with it today.